Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cleaning the hairline so product can hold. Use a mild cleanser or alcohol-free toner. Next, section the hair and secure surrounding strands with clips or a silk scarf to create a flat canvas. Then pick a small firm brush and a dab of edge control. Apply a thin line where you want the shape. Once done, press and smooth in short strokes so the product bonds, and make sure to keep pressure even for a crisp starting guideline. You move on to shaping by mapping the natural curve. Use the comb to mark peaks and valleys so you don't overdraw. Then apply product sparingly along the mapped line and use short, controlled strokes with the brush to build the edge gradually. Once the main line is set, feather out the ends with a toothbrush in tiny, outward strokes to create a natural transition between baby hairs and the scalp. Make sure to step back and check balance on both sides. You finish by locking the edges. Wrap a silk scarf snugly for 10 to 15 minutes to set the shape. If a line is uneven, dampen the stray hairs slightly, reapply a tiny amount of product, and rebrush in short strokes to correct it. For ongoing maintenance, refresh with a light oil or a drop of edge control instead of layering heavy product. And if flaking or stiffness appears, remove buildup with gentle shampoo and repeat the precise short stroke method.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.